Hello there, I am Ankit Vakela, student of NMIT Auckland campus. Uh, Here I am performing the Route 53 and what is the benefit of. So Route 53 is nothing but highly available, scalable and cloud DNS web server. So what will Route 53 will do? So whatever your static web pages like your name server, your IIS web pages and your load balancer, so it will convert those static web pages to a name server. So whatever your IP version 4, whatever is IP version 6 addresses, it will convert to a name server. So yeah, so for performing the route 53, first you have to search the AWS. So there are lots of services. First you will not find route 53 here if they will static this content changing every time. So yeah, here is networking and content delivery part. So if you can't find here, you just search it here. So here are my recent search which I previously visited. Here is my route 53 page. So as you can see, I have two hosting zone previously I created. So first create a hosting zone and then it will work. But before before you have to create a domain. So AWS also provide a registered domain inside the AWS console. It is very good, but it will charge you more. As you can see, you can just type any name you want in your websites. So it will be charged according to this plan. But I will advise that you can you can use the free hosting websites such as GoDaddy or whatever you like. You can just search on the internet, and when you successfully create any web any hosting the DNS site and you register it, and then you have to perform this site. So here you can also do that. Just like my name is, I have already created uh, my this domain and it is successfully registered. So before that, so let me create you a new hosted for you. Okay, so yeah, the first thing you need to create a hosted zone. So why? So hosted zones are basically hold those information which is needed for the route traffic. So it is first thing to do in for the route 53. So click on create hosted zone. It will tell you the what your domain name is. So here I have previously created. So just write your domain name here. If you want to just comment such as like if you have multiple domains, you have to distinguish what the domain is for. You can just write those comment. Yeah, here's my domain is for, and type we are hosting this website in public hosted or not any virtual private cloud. So it will available on the front all over the internet. So just click on it to create this one, and once you create the hosted zone, it will be something like this one. After successfully created record set, you just need to edit first. So here I set the IP version address. So you have to first type in a type, you have to choose a IP version 4 addresses, this this name as a default, and by default the alias this button is will tick on the no. So you have to tick on the yes first, and an alias target, this is basically is a thing that what is your name server, the sources came from. So whatever your S3 website endpoint or your load balancer name, you have to just click on it here. So you have to set here. So alliance like I have setted my elastic load balancer here. So what my whatever my the websites and my instances are running on this balancer. So I have choose this DinoLB load balancer here. So you have to choose your S3 website endpoint here, or whatever you, if you have load balancer, it is well and good. And for routing policy, I have set it simple, and I have choose the target health, which is no, I don't want the evaluate target health to be checked every time. And click on the save record set. After the record set is created, it will take some time to register this your newest domain to console. So and route 53. So when it's done, it will take some time first. You will see your new record set here, and your hosted or something like in the dashboard. You will find, yeah, just here. If you want to check your domain register is successfully registered, or what is the status, you will find this on this page and this status. So it will tell you it will be registering the all time, and after some time it will be like you also get some notification via email that your domain register is successfully created via Route 53. And you can see also the last update when it's created first. So uh, so how we can check this one? So just need to go to this address. Okay, so in your web server, whatever your DNS name, so you just create any route 53, just enter. Mine is like Ankit DinoStore.me. So here I testing my domain here, Ankit Dino. So it is previously there. So let me check a new one, the ankitdinostore.ml. Okay, so yeah, when you enter the IIS, because I set up my web server in some instances which I created, so it will it will first run the IIS one. So you have to just add the slash here and your website name. So here my website name, okay, which is this, and just click. Yeah, as you can see, it is running on my domain and my website, and it is loading my content here. As you can see, the whole content where is coming from. You can insert element here. Yeah, you can see this image will be running on some S3 bucket. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.